Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer. I am dyeing fabric with blackberries today. Why blackberries? Because they were on sale. I'm using one dye pot from the blackberry to dye the fabrics, and then I'm using solutions to modify them into other colors. Beautiful colors, they're muted, not pastel. Gorgeous colors. I'm using copper solution, iron solution, those are homemade, and I'm using washing soda and citric acid to modify the colors. They're beautiful colors. I'll be doing some Colorfastness test also. I'm doing sun or light exposure test, and I'm doing wash test. Now, I'm not a professional, so these are DIY tests. I'm doing my best here. So if you like what you see, please like, comment, and share my video, and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. I purchased these cotton buds as real cotton, and I want to see if they're really cotton, so I'm dyeing them. I'm wrapping them in netting or tulle to see if they will take the dye, if they're 100% cotton. And these small pieces can be used to test your modifying colors or bath. I'm measuring the alum, 3 ounces. I am measuring the length and width of the fabric in case I want to test for shrinkage. And I'm soaking them for about an hour or 4 hours. Put alum water in the squeeze the excess water from the fabric and then putting them in the alum water. Blackberries and wash them, cook them for half an hour, and then you strain or filter them. You may filter it twice if you prefer, and do not throw out the pulp. You can squeeze the pulp one more time to get all the juices from it. Squeeze the excess water and put them in the dye pot. And simmer for 1 hour, then turn the heat off and let them sit in the liquid overnight. Next day, remove them from the solution or from the liquid. Do not throw out the excess liquid. You will need that later on for other dyeings or other things. Squeeze the excess liquid out of the fabric. And put that back in the dye pot. Do not throw it out. It's very useful. Then you rinse the fabric, no detergent, just the water. Rinse and squeeze the excess fabric. You will need bins to put the 5 set of fabrics in and label them. And put 1 each of the items in each bin. Washing soda, citric acid, copper, and iron. Must have 2 pints of water total. Now you could stop it here because that's a nice rich color, but I went for 10 minutes and this is what I got. So you rinse and then you wash with soap, mild detergent, and rinse again. Again, you could stop it right here to get that bright red or bright pink, but I went 10 minutes and that's what I got. So you can choose what color you want just by removing them from the pot. Very simple. I'm straining this just in case I have some metals from the pipe tubing. That's why I'm straining. You want 2 pints of water. Again, the color change moves very fast, so you can keep it here if you like that color, or you can go a little bit further. I went a little further and that's what I got. Just use your test fabric to test the time. Rinse, wash with detergent, and then rinse again. This is the iron. I am straining because there are lots of different metals, all kind of small bits and pieces of metals in there. You don't want those in your dye bath, so you strain that off. And again, this moves so fast. This was about 3 minutes. I took it out for 3 minutes because I like that color. And you rinse, wash, and rinse again. And here they are. They each have their own bin, so there'll be no confusion later on. That darker color, that's the cotton pouch. That's why it's darker. And that is the blackberry. This has no modifier. And this is the citric acid. The corn husks, the netting, the wood, and the cotton buds. Alum water, soak them, and you leave them overnight, and you put them in the dye color, the dye pot. You cook for 1 hour, you turn the heat off, and leave them overnight to soak. And next day you take them out and rinse them. So the cotton buds were really cotton, but I was surprised by the netting, by the tube. It took the color. So I cut them in 5 pieces to use them with the other modifier. Look at this color. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it.